Hi guys! Today my dad is making our favorite chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah, and welcome to Richmond Ellyse channel on YouTube.
Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell button, and turn on notification bell. Today we're gonna be watching my dad make chocolate chip cookies.
Alright, so we have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and yeah, this is like the cookie dough, and we're making it up, and we're gonna make them like this, and while we are preheating the oven, make them ready.
Sounds good?
Alright, are you excited for this one?
Yep.
So if you want the chewy ones, we have to bake it for 12 minutes. If you want crispy, pretty much around like 15 minutes. So
maybe we should make
you want crispy?
maybe
or
we should make some. You should make
chewy?
some crispy ones to dip in milk, and maybe some for chewy not to dip in milk.
All right.
Sounds good, right?
All right.
Now we're just gonna watch them roll it into a ball.
It doesn't have to be the same sizes, but yeah, as long as it will fit in, we have to put them pretty much 2 inches apart. All right, so looks like they are ready.
They smell so good.
Yeah, they're so tasty and they look so cute.
All right, so
Cutie pie.
We just finished baking these. Now we gotta wait till they cool down.
all right. So are you guys excited to eat them?
Yeah!
Yeah.
All right. All right. So yeah, in few minutes you can eat them when they cool down.
Yay.
All right.
Bye!
Bye.
Please remember to subscribe. Leave a huge thumbs up and hit the notification bell.
Yeah.
Bye!
All right. So the cookies, chocolate chip cookies.